Good morning everyone and welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. Today we're going to look at Solana, so if you want to stick around for some exciting educational news and see what's happening with Solana for the next current potential weeks, do watch till the end of the video because we've got some absolutely super bullish chart patterns conjuring at the moment, as well as some really good news. So we can see in the market right now, green, everything is just still green, popping green, and really it's reminding us of an alt season. It's looking like an alt season. It's feeling euphoric, it's feeling fun, and it's giving us those bells of, greed. So this is what's going on. It looks like we're finally bouncing out that lull phase. And let's start off with a bit of Solana news, I suppose. Make sure you smash that subscribe button if you're new here, guys, as well. So Solana, why did it get a nice surge today? Well, Solana price gains 10% as gaming adoption accelerates. So this is partially part of the reason as to why we did get a breakout. So we know this is the 9th largest crypto by market cap, but what we want to look at is this particular piece of news right here. Solana's upward move comes shortly after Krafton, publisher of Battle Royale, so basically PUBG, announced that it's partnering with Solana Labs to develop blockchain games on the network. So this is a huge potential partnership, and I suppose that particular support and the name itself is a huge amount of exposure for Solana. So with Solana getting plenty of buzz lately, the altcoin is still way down from its all-time high from $260 with its, what it reached in November 2021. And this year, Solana has struggled to break through 100. Well, hey, guess what? We're $102. So yeah, we're back through $100 price level. And this is where things can get quite exciting. So the fear and greed index, we're back to a neutral status here. It's happened quite quickly. If we look at the yearly fear and greed index, every time we do get down to these lower levels, we do usually see a nice rise back up. But we could speculate that, we're back to neutral. We can still come down back to fear. It doesn't mean we're going to go have a huge impulse bull run right now. So that's one thing to actually consider. Solana right now, it's going wild. We're still getting loads of transactions per second, more than ever actually. I haven't seen 3011 transactions per second in a long time. Circulating supply, we've still got 62% of that total in circulation. So do be aware that there is a total 518 million total supply. It's just not fully diluted yet. So it would be a 53 billion valuation if it was fully diluted there. We can see also on the transaction side of things, this is how many transactions we're getting. This is wild. Look at that fee. It's absolutely minuscule. That's like micros, pennies right there, guys. So really great network. As we know, plenty of reasons to be bullish with Solana. So Solana is $102 again. Yay. And it's been a while. It corrected all the way down from $259. So it does look like a typical undervaluation phase. And it's a great project for a long-term hold. I will plug you down a link in the description if you want to get hold of some of this Solana. I mean, do your own research, of course. But what I'm seeing here, guys, on this chart pattern is something extremely bullish. And to be honest, it's one of my favorite patterns because it has a high succession rate of actually completing and hitting its technical price target. And that is right here. We've got ourselves a nice double bottom bullish reversal pattern potentially playing out over here. And what that means is if we break this resistance at $106, where we did get a bit of rejection before over here on the 2nd of March, then we're going to potentially see a nice rally up to around $120. That's what you could speculate. And I think this key area here, right where we've got this almost doji candle forming at this $102 level, I think this is a very key area as well, because if you look at the previous downtrend, I've just ignored this for a bit of volatility, but we can see this downtrend, this line comes to about here, and that's when we're expected to get that sort of rocky moments for Solana. So I think this is a make it or break it time. We're either going to come back down to this support at around $80 and things don't go the way we want them to, or we do get this retest of this $107 resistance level, retest and then break through hopefully to about $121. Now I want to highlight here is this is a mad resistance zone. As you can see, lots of resistance will be in this $140 to $150 price range. We've got lots of support and resistances, lots of consolidations. As you see there, we've even got on the 14th of December, $148 wick down through that bull market support band. Speaking of that support band, we're still underneath it. We're not yet going to retest, but if we do go to $120, that's when we're going to see a retest of Solana's bull market support band. So this is really vital. Can we start an uptrend? Can we do it? As you can see here, we got the mad reaccumulation zone. We did come down to $74, and guess what? It was a mad reaccumulation zone. If you got in at that price from a recent video of mine, congratulations. Gonna say it myself, I didn't have the balls to do it, so wish I did. So double bottom reversal pattern, pretty much about to play out. Of course, wait for the volume confirmation. Are we getting good volume? Are we retesting the support and resistance before the breakout to the upside? These are all very, very important things to consider. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing for Solana at the moment, with $106, $121 price targets. And what can we potentially get in the next bull run? Well, if this is the market low, we're going to be looking at price targets of at least $372, $335, $309, and these are all our pragmatic targets, because you know the Fibonacci extensions do tend to work quite well, especially on the 1.618s. So that's about a video on Solana, guys. I just want to let you know, big double bottom reversal pattern trying to break out right now. It could happen if we do see continued momentum to the upside. 4-hour time frame, we got a little bit overheated on the RSI, but we're not seeing any bearish divergence there whatsoever. And on the hourly time frame, I don't think we have too much to worry about. There's a little bit of bearish divergence, as you can see. The price is coming up right here, but the RSI is dropping off at the same time. So a bit of bearish divergence on the 1-hour time frame. I wouldn't say there's too much to worry about, just retesting that 20-day moving average as we speak. So that's about a wrap with Solana, guys. If you like this video, please do smash a thumbs up, leave a comment, smash the subscribe, and yeah, you know, comment down below what you'd like to see in upcoming videos. If you're new here as well, do hop into the Discord channel, say hello, and I just want to say huge thanks to the current patrons. You guys are amazing for your support. So yeah, making more videos every day pretty much. Altcoins, DeFi, you name it. If you like this kind of stuff without the hype attached, just stick around, subscribe. See you soon, guys.